So you might be given an inequality like this one here. X squared minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0. So what we're going to do, we're treating this as this right here as my f of x. And we want to figure out when it's greater than 0. Now, I don't want to draw the whole graph to be able to figure out this answer. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my function, x squared minus 3x minus 4, and I'm going to set it equal to 0 so that I can find those x-intercepts. And I'll factor this. I get x and x, 4 and 1 with a minus and a plus. Set each factor equal to 0. That gives me x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. And I drew this number line over here because I'm going to mark on the number line those two values, negative 1 and 4. And I'm going to mark them on the number line with open circles. Open circles because we don't want those. Our example here is only greater than 0, not equal to 0. Equal to 0 would be those x-intercepts. We don't want them. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to test in each one of these intervals whether the graph is above or below. Positive would be above, negative would be below. So I'm going to choose a test point in this interval. I need to choose a test point that is less than negative 1. So I'll choose a test point of negative 2. I need to choose a test point in this interval, something in between negative 1 and 4. I'll choose 0. I'll choose a test point in this interval, something greater than 4, like 5. And I'm testing these values in my quadratic. So let me test each one of them. I'm testing an x of negative 2, 0, and 5, and I'm testing them in my quadratic. That's negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 minus 4. That comes out to be 4 plus 6 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. And that came out positive. So this interval is positive or above the x-axis. Then I'll test 0. 0 squared minus 3 times 0 minus 4 comes out to be a negative 4. That's negative. So this interval is negative or below the x-axis. The last one, 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 4. That's 25 minus 15 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. That's positive. So this interval is positive or above the x-axis. Now we want greater than 0. We want above the x-axis. So we're going to use these intervals as our answers. Those intervals are negative infinity to negative 1 union with 4 to infinity. So this is the solution to the inequality. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.